never mong ginawa ito, di ba? Mga ganito. What prompted you to stage this 30, not 30? What can you expect?
Nung I did Showgirl in Araneta Coliseum, nagkaroon rin kami ng, that was August 18, I think, when I did Showgirl in Araneta Coliseum, and then may repeat yun, February naman of 2016 or 17. Nagkaroon ng repeat sa Araneta. And then, I did a show in Republic for my 25th anniversary. But that was more of fun concert. Nandun yung party concert yung ginawa ko last 25 years in show business. But this one, I am really looking forward because I'll be working with these people who's very special to me, who are very special to me. Ang aking producer, si Pops Fernandez ng DSL. Yun pa lang, napaka-special na, one of my best friends. And then, ang aking director, si Mr. Johnny Manahan. Minsan-minsan lang nagdidirect ng concert yan. Ang aking choreographer, si Teacher Jercel, at ang G-Force dancers, makakasama ko dito. And then, my musical director is Mark Lopez. So, para sa akin, importanteng mga taong makakatrabaho ko on this 30th anniversary. And my guest na nag-confirm na sa akin is Gary Valenciano. Of course, nandun si Shaina at si Siana. May production number kami together. And then, I was able to make lambing Ogie Alcacid kasi nakatrabaho ko siya sa SOP. And then we did Vina in ABC5. We did a lot of shows and concerts together. Si Martin, hindi siya po pwede kasi may sarili siyang concert. Sayang. But also Daniel Padilla, because I was able to work with him dun sa Bonifacio. And finally, umuo na ang aking utol kong hudlong, si Robin. Yes! Sabi ko nga, Bin, kukulangin, hindi kumpleto yung aking concert kung wala ka doon kasi napakarami nating movies together. And sabi niya, sige, titingnan ko sa schedule. Buti na lang nung baby shower ni Mariel, talagang nag-confirm sa akin. Sabi ko, yes! Sabi kong ganon. So tuloy na tuloy si Robin. And of course, yung mga videos of me, kung kailan ako nag-start with Ate Sharon, na naging parte siya ng buhay ko. Syempre, Sharon yan ako.